Hi, this tutorial simplifies the high-risk security challenge of replacing certificates within an HWA environment. The process consists of 6 simple steps that you can perform conveniently. The steps are entirely based on the certificate management capabilities of Workload Automation version 10.2.5, so upgrade all server components to version 10.2.5. Steps to update the certificates are: generate new certificates. Add the new CA/CRT certificate in the Master Domain Manager Depot folder. Add the new CA/CRT certificate to the Dynamic Agent Trust Store. Replace the server certificates. Update Master Domain Manager Agent certificates. Trust the new certificate on Dynamic Workload Console. Let's walk through each step in this video tutorial. Run certman to create the CA certificates. You can skip this step if you already have a new set of certificates. You can run the list command to see the list of certificates and keys generated. Now move to the Master Domain Manager and create the additional CAs folder if it doesn't exist. Copy only the CA/CRT certificate from the newly generated certificates, and then move it to the additional CA folder by renaming it. The next step is to ensure all the dynamic agents trust this certificate. Navigate to the Dynamic Agent Installation directory and run the Agent Certificate Downloader command. It downloads and imports the CA/CRT from the Master Domain Manager to the Trust Store of the agent. Now you can replace the existing certificates in the Master Domain Manager with the newly created ones with 0 downtime. From the Master Domain Manager, run the certman import command. This replaces all the existing certificates with the new ones, including updating the depot folder. The dynamic agent of the master and composer temporarily lose connection until the client certificates on the Master Domain Manager are updated. To update the client trust store of the Master Domain Manager, run the Agent Certificate Downloader command. This command updates the client trust store with the certificates imported to the depot folder in the Master Domain Manager. Examine the Job Manager message logs to check the connection. You can rerun the Agentic Certificate Downloader command on all the dynamic agents to propagate new certificates in the entire Workload Automation network. If you have the Dynamic Workload Console, then you must add the new Master Domain Manager public key in the console trust store. From the DWC, run the certman import command. Then check the console to verify the connection. You can see the connection is successfully restored after updating the existing certificates. Hope you found this tutorial useful. For any queries, contact us.